Alright, hello and welcome to another adventure with the Travel Around Man. We are a little bit further south, so you just saw my little trek down to DeSoto Falls, beautiful falls. So we are a little bit further south at the Little River Canyon Preserve. It is a branch of the National Park Service, and we're going to hike to the Little River Canyon Falls. It's about 3/4 of a mile from the visitor center, and water's not flowing too good. They said it's been a very dry September here, so we're going to see these falls, and then we're going to take the scenic drive, and I'll show you from the falls. There's an overlook from the falls too, so I'll take you along that, and maybe some other things. We'll see, but we'll definitely go down and see the falls. So here's a little map of the area. So here is the visitor center. So we are coming down here, and we're going to follow this trail all the way down, and then the falls are right down here. So that's probably about a third of a mile, so it's not very far. Mainly flat, some boardwalk, so give us great views of the falls. And then up here is the scenic drive, which we'll take. But we'll go all the way down here to the waterfalls and the canyon. So should be nice, short and sweet. So you wouldn't think, when you think of Alabama, you wouldn't think about canyons and waterfalls and cliffs, but we have all of those here at the Little Canyon Preserve. So it's really a diverse area of the state. So this would be interesting. Walk down this path. This will be probably the last thing we do on this trip. It's been a great trip, visiting family, knocking out some high points, and just seeing this great country. So this will be a nice, pretty way to end this trip. Found these interesting little berries here along the trail. They're not blackberries or blueberries. I'm not sure what kind of berries these are, but I don't know if they're poisonous or not. So very, very interesting stuff here. Alright, we're just kind of meandering our way here. It's a little bit rocky and overgrown, but it's flat, not too difficult. Just gonna maneuver through all the obstacles here. So we're almost to the highway, getting underneath the underpass. So alright, yeah, this is a little bit overgrown here, but we'll do the best we can here. Alright, we made it to the boardwalk. We're going underneath the highway. This is much easier than what we were doing. Get a good look at the river here. Look at the river. Took a long turn back there, so now we're actually on the right path, going across the river. Across the bridge to the river. Oh, this is pretty scenic up here. Let me show you this. We'll be down there shortly, but this is staying on the bridge. Go down there, over there to see the falls down there. And beautiful walk up here. Beautiful walk up the little river. You can see it's very, very dry. It has been a very dry summer. When it's wet, this river is just flowing. We'll come down, you can see where it drops off, that's where the falls are. So we'll see if we can get a little bit better view down there with all the people down there. Right, so we can go to the access or the overlook. We'll go to the overlook. We don't need to get down to the river today. We'll go this way to the falls overlook. Very quiet day today. It's middle of the week. It's a Wednesday, so not too crowded today. All right, we are coming up on the falls here. You can hear them. You can see them. Not as powerful as it when it's really going, the whole thing is pulling over, but just a slow trickle today, but still beautiful. Falls are still beautiful, but I can only imagine when the whole thing is rushing over when it's not so dry. But we'll take it. Still gorgeous. All right, closer view. Alright, one more last look at the falls. Alright, we're gonna head back the way we came. We're gonna do the scenic drive, and I'll show you the overlook on the drive. We're on the scenic drive here. We're at the Little River Falls overlook. So, path here to the overlook. We get another look at the falls. That breeze feels good. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's over this way. It's way out in the back there. There it is. Zoom in on that. Different angles, staring down the gorge and the overlook from where we just came. Alright, so I'll take you a little bit farther. That's the take a little bit farther down the road. That's the look from the falls. We'll do some canyon overlooks, and then we'll call it a day here. So, but the falls, down looking into the gorge, it's pretty. Alright, Mushroom Rock, a little bit farther down the parkway. So the history behind this is they want, when they were building this road, they were going to take this rock out, which was like a mushroom, but they decided to save it and build a road around it. So quick little stop here.
A bunch of hawks. I just
Yeah.
saw another one. There's one. See it? There goes. I can fly toward them for free. Free. Wow. Another one. Aren't we lucky?
Alright, we have reached Eberhard Point. Gives a good look in the canyon. Out here, see right down deep into the canyon. We came all the way up there. And then it's pretty deep by this point. At the so the Little River Falls, where we started this adventure, is where the canyon starts. And by this point, it's pretty deep. You can see the hawks flying. We saw them earlier. But yeah, pretty neat place here. Little River Preserve. Down over that way. Up on the cliffs up there. Alright, so that will do it for the Little River Park and Preserve. This is a branch of the National Park Service. It's just outside Fort Payne, Alabama, and it's been a very beautiful drive. We saw some deer, lots of hawks and birds flying around. So and we got to see a waterfall, even though the water wasn't flowing that well. Still got to check that out. So hope you enjoyed it. That'll do it for this trip. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like what you see from this trip, please share this video, subscribe, and help me grow the channel so more people can see these beautiful sights. So from the Little River Park and Preserve here in Fort Payne, Alabama, I hope you're living your best life, and